San Francisco, 1904. A city bustling with energy, a melting pot of cultures and dreams. The streets were alive with the footsteps of those who had traveled from far and wide, seeking a new beginning in the land of opportunity. The air crackled with the dreams of immigrants. They arrived with little more than hope in their hearts and a determination to carve out a better future for themselves and their families. Each face in the crowd told a story of resilience and aspiration. A young Amadeo Giannini, son of Italian immigrants, saw a need. He witnessed firsthand the struggles of his community, the barriers they faced, and the dreams that were often deferred due to a lack of financial support. The traditional banks turned their backs on the working class. They catered to the wealthy elite, leaving the common man to fend for himself. Loans were a privilege reserved for the few, and the doors of opportunity remained closed for many. Giannini wouldn't stand for it. He was a man of vision and compassion, driven by a desire to make a difference. He believed that everyone deserved a chance to succeed, regardless of their background or financial status. He envisioned a bank for the people, by the people, a place where the working class could find support and encouragement, where their dreams could be nurtured and their efforts rewarded. It was a radical idea, but one that resonated deeply with those who had been marginalized, a bank that believed in their dreams, their struggles, their futures. Giannini's vision was not just about financial transactions, it was about building a community, fostering trust, and empowering individuals to take control of their destinies. Thus, the Bank of Italy was born. It was a modest beginning, but one filled with promise and potential. The bank's mission was clear: to serve those who had been overlooked and to provide a lifeline to those in need. Giannini set up shop in a converted saloon. It was a humble setting, but it was a start. The saloon's rough exterior belied the transformative work that would take place within its walls. He understood the language of the working man. He knew their hopes, their fears, and their aspirations. He spoke to them in their tongue, earned their trust, and made them feel valued and respected. He spoke to them in their tongue, earned their trust. His approach was personal and genuine, and it resonated deeply with those who had been dismissed by the traditional banking system. He offered them something no other bank would: a chance to build their lives, brick by brick, loan by loan. It was an opportunity to turn their dreams into reality, to create a future for themselves and their families. A chance to build their lives, brick by brick, loan by loan. The Bank of Italy became a beacon of hope, a place where hard work and determination were rewarded, and where the impossible became possible. His bank wasn't just about storing money, it was about building futures. It was about giving people the tools they needed to succeed, and the confidence to pursue their dreams. The Bank of Italy was more than a financial institution. It was a catalyst for change. The 1906 San Francisco earthquake shook the city to its core. Buildings crumbled, fires raged, and chaos reigned. The devastation was immense, and the city's future seemed uncertain. Buildings crumbled, fires raged, and chaos reigned. The earthquake left a trail of destruction in its wake, and the people of San Francisco were left to pick up the pieces of their shattered lives. But amidst the devastation, Giannini saw an opportunity. He saw a chance to help his community rebuild, to restore hope and confidence in the face of adversity. He knew that the road to recovery would be long and difficult, but he was determined to lead the way. While other banks remained shut, their vaults buried under rubble, Giannini took a gamble. He believed in the resilience of the human spirit, and he was willing to take risks to support his community. He rescued his bank's deposits, loaded them onto his wagon, and set up shop on the bustling waterfront. It was a bold move, but one that demonstrated his unwavering commitment to his customers. He offered loans to anyone who wanted to rebuild, defying all odds and banking on the resilience of the human spirit. His actions inspired others to believe in the possibility of a brighter future and to take the first steps towards rebuilding their lives. His bold move paid off, cementing his reputation as a man of the people. Giannini's legacy was one of compassion, courage, and unwavering dedication to the community he served. The Bank of Italy would go on to become a symbol of hope and opportunity for generations to come. The Bank of Italy thrived under Giannini's leadership. His innovative approach and unwavering commitment to the community set the bank apart from its competitors. Giannini's vision was not just about financial success, it was about creating a bank that served the people, a bank that understood their needs and aspirations. It wasn't just about survival, it was about empowerment. Giannini believed that everyone deserved a chance to succeed, and he made it his mission to provide the financial support they needed. He saw the bank as a tool for social change, a way to uplift the community and drive economic growth. Giannini understood the power of dreams. He knew that behind every small business, every farm, and every family, there was a dream waiting to be realized. He was determined to help turn those dreams into reality, no matter the obstacles. He saw potential where others saw risk. While other banks were hesitant to lend to small businesses and farmers, Giannini saw an opportunity to make a difference. He believed in the potential of the people and the power of their dreams to drive progress and innovation. He extended credit to small businesses, to farmers, to the very people who fueled the nation's growth. By providing them with the financial resources they needed, Giannini helped to create a thriving economy and a more prosperous society. He wasn't just a banker, he was an architect shaping the American dream one loan at a time. Giannini's approach to banking was revolutionary. He saw himself as a builder, constructing a better future for his clients and the nation as a whole. The Roaring Twenties saw the bank expand beyond San Francisco. Giannini's success in the city was just the beginning. He had a grand vision for the Bank of Italy, one that extended far beyond the borders of San Francisco. It reached across California, a beacon of opportunity in a rapidly changing world. As the bank opened new branches throughout the state, it brought hope and opportunity to countless individuals and businesses. Giannini's vision was becoming a reality, one branch at a time. Giannini's vision stretched beyond state lines. He saw the potential for a truly national bank, one that could serve the needs of people across the country. His ambition knew no bounds, and he was determined to make his dream a reality. He saw a nation on the cusp of greatness, a nation in need of a bank that could keep pace with its ambitions. Giannini believed that the Bank of Italy could be that bank, providing the financial support needed to fuel the nation's growth and prosperity. His eyes were set on a bigger prize, a national bank that could truly serve the needs of all Americans. Giannini's vision was bold and ambitious, but he was confident in his ability to make it a reality. He knew that with hard work and determination, anything was possible. In 1928, the Bank of Italy merged with Bank of America Los Angeles. This merger was a significant milestone in Giannini's journey, bringing him one step closer to his goal of creating a national bank. The stage was set for the creation of a financial powerhouse. The merger brought together the strengths of both banks, creating a formidable institution that was well positioned to serve the needs of a growing nation. Giannini's dream was becoming a reality. The new Bank of America was a testament to his vision and determination. It was a bank that truly served the people, providing them with the financial support they needed to achieve their dreams. This new Bank of America, infused with Giannini's pioneering spirit, was poised to redefine banking in America. With its innovative approach and commitment to the community, the bank was set to become a cornerstone of the American financial landscape, helping to shape the future of the nation for generations to come. The Great Depression cast a long shadow over America. It was a time of unprecedented economic hardship where the very fabric of society seemed to be unraveling. Families were torn apart by financial strain, and the American dream felt like a distant memory. Banks crumbled, businesses folded, and despair gripped the nation. The once thriving streets were now filled with shuttered storefronts and long lines of people desperate to withdraw their savings before it was too late. The sense of hopelessness was palpable. But amidst the turmoil, Bank of America stood firm. Unlike many of its contemporaries, it weathered the storm, providing a beacon of stability in an otherwise chaotic financial landscape. Its resilience became a symbol of hope for many. True to its founding principles, it became a lifeline for a nation on its knees. Bank of America continued to operate, offering essential services to those in dire need. It was more than just a bank, it was a pillar of support for countless Americans. Giannini, ever the optimist, saw opportunity in the ashes. He believed in the resilience of the American spirit and the potential for recovery. His vision was not just about financial gain, but about rebuilding a nation. He knew that America's spirit wouldn't be broken. Despite the overwhelming challenges, he saw the determination in the eyes of the people. They were ready to rebuild, to rise from the ashes, and to create a brighter future. He doubled down on his commitment to lending, providing a much-needed boost to businesses struggling to survive. By extending credit, he gave entrepreneurs the lifeline they needed to keep their dreams alive and to contribute to the nation's recovery. His faith in the American people never wavered. Giannini believed that with the right support, the people could overcome any obstacle. His unwavering confidence in their potential was a driving force behind Bank of America's efforts. The post-war years witnessed an economic boom. The nation was rejuvenated, and the economy surged forward. The streets buzzed with activity, and businesses flourished once more. It was a time of renewed hope and prosperity. Bank of America rode the wave of prosperity, expanding its reach and influence. It opened new branches, reaching more communities and providing essential financial services to an ever-growing customer base. Its growth mirrored the nation's resurgence. It embraced innovation, introducing new products and services that catered to the evolving needs of a growing nation. From new types of accounts to advanced financial instruments, Bank of America was at the forefront of banking innovation. Credit cards, once a novelty, became commonplace, fueling consumer spending and transforming the financial landscape. This new form of credit allowed people to make purchases with ease, driving economic growth, and changing the way transactions were conducted. Bank of America was at the forefront of this revolution, shaping the way Americans lived, worked, and spent. Its innovations not only provided convenience but also helped to build a more dynamic and robust economy. The bank's influence was felt in every corner of American life, from small towns to bustling cities. The savings and loan crisis of the 1980s sent shockwaves through the financial system. Deregulation had unleashed a wave of risky lending. Bank of America, along with many other institutions, found itself caught in the crosshairs. The crisis exposed the vulnerabilities of a system drunk on easy credit and high returns. Bank of America weathered the storm, but not without scars. It learned a hard lesson about the importance of risk management and the dangers of unchecked growth. The crisis served as a stark reminder that even the mightiest institutions were not immune to the forces of greed and speculation. The crisis also highlighted the interconnectedness of the global financial system. The collapse of one institution could trigger a domino effect, threatening the stability of the entire system. Bank of America, with its global reach, found itself at the center of this web of interconnectedness, its fate intertwined with that of the world economy.